Fragile confidence. The irresponsibility of falling apart. Falling apart is when someone completely loses their confidence, an act of utter irresponsibility towards oneself. Such individuals are merely the weak in life, unworthy of sympathy or pity. The collapse of confidence is not a result of life's merciless torment, but an implosion from within. Allowing oneself to fall apart is a declaration to the world: I cannot bear my responsibilities, and I choose to be a perpetual victim. Strong individuals seek solutions in adversity, while the weak opt for evading responsibility. They indulge in a vortex of self-pity, thinking that falling apart is the cost of liberation. However, this is only a demonstration of their irresponsibility, a display of weakness in choosing to crumble in the face of setbacks. Neither sympathy nor pity can alter the fate of those who fall apart, because they are already deeply immersed in the swamp of self-pity. They are not victims of life, they are the defeated ones, who have given up the fight in the face of adversity.